Yeah, there we go again. The next one is number 5. A boy stands at a point M on the same horizontal level as a foot T of a vertical building. Let this be the building. This is the foot T of the building, and the boy is standing at a point M on the same horizontal level as the foot of a building. That's where the boy is standing. Now, he observes an object on the top P. That means the top of the building is P. He observes an object on the top P of the building at an angle of elevation of 66 degrees. That means the angle of elevation is 66 degrees. Angle of elevation is 66 degrees. He moves directly backwards to a new point C and observes the same object at an angle of elevation of 53 degrees. If he moves directly backwards, that means it's going to be somewhere around here now. Let's say he moves directly backwards to a point C. So this is the point where he moved directly backwards to, and it's C. And then observes the same object at an angle of elevation of 53 degrees. So the angle of elevation now is 53 degrees, and this is it. 53 degrees. If MT is 50 meters, MT is 50 meters. Question A, illustrate the information in a diagram. That's what we just did. That's an illustration of the information. Now let's go to B. So this is question A. This is 5A. Now to B. Calculate correct to one decimal place. Is actually B, Roman figure 1. Calculate correct to one decimal place, Roman figure 1, the height of the building. So we want to find PT. PT represents, of course, this is the right angle. PT represents the height of the building, and that's what we want to find. So what do we do? Of course, I can see that in right angle triangle PMT, in right angle triangle P, let me say PTM, tan 66 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. That's PT, which is this length, over MT. Opposite over adjacent, and that's PT over MT, or if you like, I can say TM. So that simply means I want to find, and I know MT already. That means tan 66 degrees equals PT over MT was given as 50 meters. So PT over 50. Now if I cross multiply, PT will be equal to 50 tan 66 degrees, and that's equal to, let's check that, 50 tan 66, and that's 112.3018. Did they say we should approximate to any degree of accuracy to one decimal place? So, and that's equal to 112.3. This is 0.3 meters to 1 dp, and that's the height of a building. So I can say, therefore, height of building equals 112.3 meters. And now we go straight to the next, which is Roman figure 2, and that says MC. We want to find the distance MC. I think I need to open that again. That's number 4. We want to find the distance MC. That's number 5 rather. We want to find the distance MC. Yeah, number 5B, Roman figure 2. How do you find distance MC? Now let's bring down the diagram. And bring the diagram down. Yeah, that's the diagram. How do we now find distance MC? Distance, okay, from right angle triangle PTC, this big one. Yeah, from right angle triangle PCT, from triangle PTC, I can see that tan 53 degrees is equal to opposite, which is PT, over adjacent, which is CT. The adjacent is CT. I'm talking about this triangle, this right angle triangle. This one, that's the triangle, right angle triangle PTC. Tan 53 in that triangle is PT over CT, and that simply means it is equal to PT. I just found that to be 112 points. You must be careful not to use the approximated value. Use this value instead, so that your answer will be accurate. So I'm using 112.3018, 112.3018 over length CT equals tan 53 degrees. And when I cross multiply, it means length CT will be equal to 112.3018 over tan 53 degrees. And let's do that. 112.3018 divided by tan 53, and that's 84.62, approximately 6255 meters. Now therefore we can see that CT is the same as CM, or better still MC plus TM. Yeah, this length MT plus MC is what will give us CT. So that means I'm going to say, let me leave it as CT. So CT is the same as CM plus MT. Yeah, so that's CT equals CM plus MT, and that's equal. That means CM. They called it MC, so I'm going to leave it as MC, which is the same as saying MC plus MT. So that means MC is therefore equal to CT. MC is therefore equal to CT minus MT, and that's 84.6255 minus MT, which is 50, and that's what we get when we do that. 84.6255 minus 50, and that's 34.6255 meters. And they say we should give the answer correct to one decimal place, so that's equal to 34.6 meters to 1 dp. And that's it, very, very simply. All right, thank you very much. We come back in a second or two for number 6.